Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you change your password into Remitly. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to change the password, just simply open your Remitly application at very first, and after that go over the manage section at bottom right corner. Tap into there and then you will get to see this option of profile. Tap to profile, and now after that you will get to see this option of password directly. Tap to edit beside that password option, and now you just simply have to enter your current password at very first. Then enter your new password into the second row, and after that, in order to confirm, repeat the same password into the last row. Then just simply tap to save, and your new password will be successfully saved and your password will be changed. This way you can easily change your password into Remitly. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.